Hey everyone, Mary Mercurio here. Um, so I kind of am doing mine a little bit differently. I saw most people had theirs as a screencast. I'm actually just going to take a video of uh, my prototype as I kind of maneuver the pieces around a little bit, because this is kind of, when I was problem solving, the quickest way for me to think about how to make this work in my own brain. So basically the game is called tic-tac-toe tumble, and one of the concepts I wanted to use was the classic game of tic-tac-toe. I work in middle school, and my middle schoolers just play this even constantly, and I remember working in an after-school program, and the kids just, they love playing tic-tac-toe. So I wanted to make it so it's a little more of an extension of tic-tac-toe. So instead of having your X's and O's, you have your basic game board, and instead you pick a color, and it would be more than just the paper and, you know, the drawn out pieces. I obviously would make this a digital version where players could play against each other, or maybe even against the computer itself. So you'll see, you'll have, they go from small and then all the way to large. And the idea is that each player gets a color of circles, and with those they can put down one. Instead of just being X's and O's, I could go over and cover their circle with a larger circle, and then they can come in. Maybe if I put mine here, they can come in and cover mine, but then I can go in and cover theirs again, right? So, and then it keeps going until you're out of circles. So maybe they want to put theirs there, but now I'm out. So it does become limited, and I'm trying to work through to see how many circles people would need, hypothetically, to keep a game going through its total fruition. But that is the basic concept of tic-tac-toe tumble, is learning, you know, it's a strategy, even more so than going through just the X's and O's. And I think it could work with a lot of kids too, for higher level thinking, how, you know, which way, what are they, the risk-taking component of, do I want to cover something, do I want to leave it, and then looking at shapes and sizes and figuring out what they really want to use as their pieces. So that's my quick little paper prototype, and I will have more information coming soon on what I'll be doing. Thanks, guys.